Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering down and fully disconnecting the Victus. Once unplugged, hold the power button 10 seconds to clear residual charge. Strap yourself to ground with an ESD wrist strap so you avoid damaging components and lay tools, T5/T6 Torx, Phillips, plastic pry, within reach. Remove the back panel screws in a consistent order and pry gently along edges. Once the bottom lifts, set screws aside in a labeled tray. Make a quick photo of the internal layout before proceeding so you remember where cables and shields sit. Once the cover is off, locate the M2 slot near the Wi-Fi module or toward the center. Remove the tiny standoff screw holding the existing SSD and lift the module out at a gentle angle. You insert the new M2 drive the same way, align the key notch, slide it into the socket until it seats, then press it flat and fasten the standoff screw. Make sure it sits flush and doesn't tilt. If adding a second drive, verify the connector type and that any thermal pad or bracket clears the module before closing. After securing the SSD, replace the bottom panel and tighten screws evenly so the chassis seals correctly. Reconnect battery and AC and power on. Immediately enter BIOS to ensure the new NVMe is listed, and if you cloned your system, adjust the boot order to the new drive, then save and restart. If the drive is not detected, power down and reseat the module, check the standoff screw contact, try another slot if available, and update the BIOS. These steps fix most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.